Hi everyone. Today I am implementing the information technology project in the SAP, and if you have the all business scenarios of project systems document, you have to read this complete section of implementing the information technology project, and they have provided the sequence of steps to implement the IT project. And in the explanation point of view, they have explained each and everything what they are going to do, and what is the intention, and what is the sequence of steps, what are the transaction they are going to implement. Each and everything they have mentioned completely, and the person should have read this completely, and they will get a good idea about what they are doing for each transaction and what they are getting, and what are the possible actions, and what are the invalid scenarios, and each and everything they have mentioned here. So once we completed the completion of this lesson for this IT project session, we will implement the same thing in the SAP. See, I'm just logging into the system SAP user, and I'm providing the credentials for that into the client number 800, and once it is opened, we will open the project builder screen to create a project for the information project, information technology project. Here I am opening CJ20N is the transaction code for project builder, and it's opened properly. Hence, as they mentioned, they are asking us to create a project by using the template section and the individual objects project definition. Once you double click on that, it will expand the screen in the right side of the screen. Hence, we will give a unique project for our project, and we will provide a basic description for our project, and we will choose the project profile as IT project, and we will provide the project duration from starting to ending, the lifespan of the project. Just click on the basic data. In the meanwhile, the project profile, the default values, and the parameters which were saved in the customizing section will be picked up, and it will be assigned to the respective fields here automatically. And the basic data type is loaded, and the start date is coming as today's date, and we're just changing to of next month, 10th to next month plus 7 months of that, as they have mentioned. This is the project number, and these are the project profile, and these are the project dates in the basic data type page, and we just provided as they have mentioned in the document, and we are hitting the enter button. Hence, the project is created, and hence we are creating the respective WBS element for this session. Simply you have to click on WBS element overview, and simply you have to provide the description what they have provided in the document, and simply as it is, organization and completion, and detailed planning execution, preparation for use, system optimization. Here we need to tell a small thing about the @ It's an entry ID operator which was defined in the customizing section. We can use it to create the WBS element very faster and with flexibility, and we can use @4 means it's an @ means it automatically picks the project definition automatically, and based on the project coding mask it will derive the WBS element name. We can use @4 or we can use @.4. Both will do the same functionality, and we just provided the description for this WBS element, and we are hitting the enter button to create the WBS element as per the mask. After clicking on this, the WBS elements has been converted to the respective WBS elements. You can see these are the level 1 WBS element, these are all level 2 WBS elements, and once we have created that, we will just save the project. Hence the project will be saved in the database, and it will show the respective message project I/7654 is being created. We can open the same project by simply double clicking on the work list scenarios. The last projects processed section will hold 5 projects which were worked previously. Here we can see our project here is I/7654. To open this project, we just double click on it. It will open the project automatically, and hence we are creating the activities for the respective WBS elements. These are the scenarios, these are all mentioned as internal activities, and for the respective WBS elements everything they have mentioned. Simple thing is, you need to select the respective WBS element. There is an activity overview button. If you click on it, it will ask the by defaultly internal processing tab will be opened. We can see the data for this internal processing tab page. It's a order management conception and confirmation module conception. These two are the activities which are defined in the organization and conception WBS element. Here we just provide the order management conception and the confirmation module conception. We just provided the data. Their activity numbers are 0010 and 0020. If you hit the enter, it will be created automatically for the WBS element. You can see the project structure here. It will create a network header with respect to network number. It will be created automatically. Here the two activities which are assigned in the WBS element organization and conception are created here, and in the same way we will create the remaining activities for the remaining WBS elements. Choose the next WBS element and choose the activity overview, and you can see the activity number 0030 came automatically because of the 0010 0020 activities are already created in another WBS element. All the activities are linked to the network header. This is nothing but network header, and these are all the activities. You can distinguish between them using the symbols. This is the network, and these are activities. For this WBS element also we are choosing the activity overview, and we are providing the activity names as they mentioned: order management execution, order management and confirmation module execution. We just provided for level 2 second WBS element, and we are hitting the enter to create for the respective WBS. And you can see those two internal activities are created in the second WBS element, nothing but detailed planning and execution. And for the third WBS element, they are asking us to create 3 different activities. We just select the particular WBS element and choose the activity overview. You can see 50, 60, 60. Why? Because of the earlier 10, 20, 30, 40 are already used in this project. We will provide the same activity number and description here. Test pilot, and the second one is training for and the third one is implementation. We just provided the description and activity numbers, and we are hitting enter. Hence all the activities in the respect to WBS elements are created, and we are hitting the enter to create automatically. Once we are hitting this, it will create the all the activities are created in the respect to WBS element. Once we save, the network header with the default IDs identification number will be turned to a valid network number. These percentile, all zeros and 1, this is a temporary unique number in the project system. Temporary number. Once we saved in the system, it will pick a unique network number for this project and it will be saved in the database. I am clicking here in the save button. It will determining the basic steps, everything will be followed on, and it will create the project with all these WBS elements and activities. Hence you can see the project 7654 is being changed with respect to WBS elements and activities. It means that our changes, the WBS elements and activities, are saved successfully in the database. We will continue the lesson for the remaining class in the next session. Thank you.